Ever wondered why some small and medium-sized enterprises thrive in the digital world while others barely survive? It's a question that nags at many a business owner's mind. The answer, more often than not, lies in understanding and navigating the complex terrain of digital marketing. In today's hyper-connected world, establishing a robust online presence is not just an option, but a necessity. But how does one go about it? Well, it takes a mix of targeted digital marketing strategies, each tailored to your unique business needs. Content is king, as the saying goes, and it reigns supreme in the digital marketing realm. Creating engaging, valuable content helps foster connections with your audience, turning casual visitors into loyal customers. And let's not forget social media marketing, a powerful tool that, when leveraged effectively, can amplify your brand message and reach like nothing else. The digital marketing landscape is complex and ever-changing, but fear not, there are proven strategies to conquer it. Have you ever been captivated by a brand story? This is the essence of content marketing. It's about more than just selling a product or service. It's about sharing a narrative that resonates with your audience. And in today's digital age, storytelling has become a powerful tool for small and medium-sized enterprises to cut through the noise and make a lasting impression. Imagine this. You're not just a coffee shop. You're a cozy haven providing ethically sourced, hand-roasted coffee beans, supporting local farmers, and providing a sense of community for your patrons. This narrative does more than simply advertise a product. It provides value, creates a connection, and builds trust. Content marketing, particularly storytelling, is like a bridge. It connects your brand to the audience, not just as consumers, but as individuals with interests, values, and aspirations. It's an opportunity for you to share what makes your business unique, your journey, your values, and your vision. This is how you stand out in the crowded digital space. This is how you build strong relationships with your audience. It's not just about one-off transactions. It's about fostering loyalty, creating a community of people who believe in your brand and what it represents. And remember, every story has a hero. In your brand's narrative, your audience is that hero. Your product or set is the tool that helps them overcome their challenges, reach their goals, and fulfill their needs. A compelling story can convert your audience into brand advocates. How often do you go beyond the first page of Google search results? Not often, right? That's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes into play. It's a digital marketing strategy that focuses on improving your website's visibility in search engine results. Think of SEO as the compass that guides potential customers towards your online business. It's all about understanding what people are searching for online, the answers they are seeking, the words they're using, and the type of content they wish to consume. By aligning your content with these insights, you can connect with those people who are online right now, searching for the products or services you offer. But it's not just about keywords and search engine rankings. It's also about diversifying your content. In the digital world, one size doesn't fit all. Some people prefer reading long-form articles, while others enjoy infographics or podcasts. Then there are those who prefer watching videos or browsing through a photo gallery. Diversifying your content allows you to cater to these different preferences, expanding your reach and increasing engagement. Remember, variety is the spice of life and the secret sauce of content marketing. But here's the catch. SEO isn't a set it and forget it kind of deal. It's a continuous process of refining and optimizing based on ever-changing search engine algorithms and user behavior. SEO is not a one-time task. It's a constant race to stay at the top. It requires persistence, strategy, and a touch of creativity. But when done right, the rewards are worth the effort. Did you know that there are 3.5 billion social media users worldwide? That's right. Nearly half of the world's population is within your reach, just a few clicks away. This game-changing fact is why social media platforms have become indispensable tools in digital marketing. Yet, it's not enough to simply be present on these platforms. You have to wield this tool effectively. How, you ask? Well, it all starts with understanding that each platform has its unique language, its own vibe. The message that resonates on Twitter might not necessarily hit home on Instagram. That's why tailoring your message to the platform is crucial. But don't stop there. To truly maximize the potential of social media, your approach must be comprehensive. This means integrating your social media strategies with your overall digital marketing game plan. When social media strategies align with your content marketing, SEO, and other digital marketing efforts, you create a powerful synergy that amplifies your reach and impact. Remember, social media is a two-way street. It's not about shouting into the void, hoping someone hears you. It's about fostering a connection, starting conversations, and building relationships. It's about engaging your audience, not just posting content. So, embrace the game changer that is social media. Make it an integral part of your digital marketing strategy. Because in the end, social media is not just about posting. It's about engaging and connecting. Ever felt like you're shooting in the dark with your digital marketing efforts? Well, you're not alone. The key to shedding light on your efforts is measuring success. It's not just about launching campaigns and hoping for the best. It's about tracking the impact of your strategies through relevant metrics and key performance indicators or KPIs. Think of it like a journey. You've got your map, that's your strategy, but you also need a compass, that's your KPIs, to ensure you're on the right path. Whether it's website traffic, social media engagement, or conversion rates, these metrics illuminate your progress, helping you tweak your strategies for better results. But remember, the digital landscape is ever changing. Staying ahead means staying informed, whether it's the latest algorithm changes, emerging social platforms, or new content trends. Keeping your finger on the pulse of digital marketing is crucial. After all, in the digital world, if you're not moving forward, you're falling behind. So, are you ready to conquer the digital world? It's time to emphasize the essence of sophisticated digital marketing strategies. Remember, for small and medium-sized enterprises, innovation, strategy, and persistence are the key ingredients to succeed in the digital realm. Don't just observe the digital revolution. Be a part of it. Let your business be the beacon that lights up the digital landscape. Start implementing these digital marketing strategies today and watch your business thrive. The digital world awaits you.